So I'm recording this to show you my new bag. This is the K&F Concept, and I'm 95% sure that I'm gonna use it for my everyday carry.
Clicking, when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some, never, just let me know.
Look at this. Wow. I think I like this already. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I love bags, backpacks, especially technical backpacks. And this is a camera bag. This one was sent to me from K&F Concept, and I love the color. Oh my god. Wow. We have a laptop and tablet compartment. On this side we have a net, so you can put documents in here. They really want to let you know that this is a K&F Concept, so they have K&F Concept everywhere. So this will make sure that your laptop and tablet won't fall in case this backpack get dropped or something. On this side, pretty cool place. Maybe your wallet here. Anything. It's pretty nice, pretty padded actually. I'm amazed, and so far the quality is amazing. I like the quality. Wow. Okay. Maybe attach something here. There are three loops here, and going to the side and the other side. This seems like it's a water resistance. This is a special material. I'm pretty sure it can be waterproof. If you need to, but then again, right here you have the regular type of fabric, so water can get through. Chest straps, which is very good if you want to ride it on a motorcycle or maybe do some type of hiking. Wow, this is ideal. Just like the not Manfrotto, but my lowepro 450AW, except it's smaller and less. It's not as bulky, so I think I might give this a try to be the replacement of the lowepro 450AW. Wow, very padded. So they leave it like this, so you can have it your camera and your lens sticking down, but they don't have the top to reach from the top, which is what the lowepro 450AW has. Oh wow, wow, this is amazing. Okay, so here. We have a see-through compartment and another compartment here that doesn't get all the way down. I'm gonna try to squeeze all my gear in here and see if it fits. More loops here, so you can do whatever you like. D-rings, always love D-rings. You can do a lot of stuff here. I wonder if my peak design capture would fit here. This is a must for any hikers or taking a long trip. You need this because you can just mount your camera here. This is a plate that goes into your camera, and then your camera will just go like this, hanging at your side all the time. You have your two hands free. Wow, it's not bad. Oh, what is this? Okay, so it's Velcroed. Just pull it down, and you have let's see. There's a little pocket here, maybe for a filter. I don't know what to do with that. Or maybe a coin so that you can unscrew one of those annoying tripod plates. This is not for any regular pocket. This is for a tripod leg. So you can put your tripod here and then connect to this place here and then tight it. So you have a tripod on the side. They really thought this through. Here we have my Manfrotto. This is what I use all the time to go traveling because it's so light. It's not very intuitive, very innovative, right? So it's just, they basically just sew it so that you have indentation, and then you have holes, right? These things are breathable, so it might help your bag from being sweaty. This is beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this is just, oh, and if it looks good on me, ooh, might be my go-to. Anyway, all right, so let's do this. Where's my zipper? Zipper here. Yeah. Okay, so a little disappointing part is this thing doesn't go down all the way. I want it to go down all the way. Ooh, it fits perfectly. Let's see if it fits the outside layer. Ooh, yeah, that fits too. Jeez. Velcro doesn't work to go all the way down, so I gotta go this one. So that is one of the things that they provided me. This is the K&F Concept. I really like it so far, especially the small form factor that it has. And the quality is, wow, I can't believe the quality is this amazing. Oh, also, love the handle. You gotta have a handle, you gotta have a really good grip. And this is a good grip. All right, wow. I'm actually not showing the backpack, more like checking out my arms, you know. But yeah, handle's good. We have one more, well, two more. Let's open this little guy first. Woohoo! Wow, it's hefty. It's I would say it's really thick, so that's good. This one is an adapter that will adapt to my Micro Four Third, which is what I'm recording right now, with a Nikon lens. I'm gonna try to put this guy. I bought this. This is a really good lens. This is the 18-35 Sigma. I want to use this one, but I have a Panasonic now, so that's why I'm using this. So I ordered this to see if it works. Another one that I can't wait to unbox. Ow! Need a knife. A tripod. Okay, this one is also from K&F Concept. Of course, this whole video is to unbox their stuff. Oh, you know it's not bad when you have a bag, this hefty bag. Not bad, a little heavy, but then again, this kind of tripod is always this heavy. It's not like the small tripod I showed you before. One notch, so then you put it out. Two notch, cool, and then three notch. There's three of them. You can actually do three at the same time and make it bigger, make it longer, and then you just tight it. You know, it's pretty convenient, kind of cool. So basically, when you wanna just expand it and you want to tight it, you just go like this, and all of them are tight. They made it like this to like the palm of your hands, the size of the palm of your hands. So you can just hold on to all of it, to all three, and then twist. And now you have, ooh, I can tell you right now, the quality is amazing. I have not heard about this company before, but the quality is just wow. So I want you guys to see this plate. This is something that is so simple, but not many people are adapting to this. What they usually provide us is just this slit here, so we have to use a coin to screw it in. But this one has a D-ring, so you can just take it and spin and screw it into your camera. It has a leveler, yeah. So you can, if your camera is too damn old to have a level on your camera, you can use this. Or you can just be on a boat in the ocean. It works the same way. And here you have this padding. This padding might seem like it's wide, you know, you'd be asking why, but it actually helps a lot, because in the cold, if you were to hold this with your hands, you shouldn't be in the cold without gloves anyway. But I find that sometimes I forget to wear my gloves and I hold on to this, and this thing is freaking cold. This is metal, so your hands get like numb. I have 4 or 5 other tripod that has this, and what I do is I also tape this side also with electrical tape, or maybe electrical tape, because they're easier to untaped. Whoa, what is this? There's another ring here. Oh, you know what this is? Look how new I am at this, but I know exactly what this is. This is a monopod. Holy crap! Awesome! Just so you know how they tell you to have a base baseball bat in the car, even though you don't play baseball, but have it in there anyway, and definitely have a ball in there. If someone ever asks you, why do you have a weapon? You just tell them, no, this is not a weapon, this is a monopod, you know? It's different. So, wow. So there's a screw here. Is it this guy? Is it you? Is it me you're looking for? Ooh. That won't fit. I can see it in your eyes. Mr. T, I'd like to have a request. Please don't sing ever in your video. Don't tell me what to do. You know, a lot of people ask me if I have multiple personalities. And you know, we told them to F off. So another thing is, this thing, like most tripod, you hang something from here so that in a windy situation, your tripod doesn't move. This is one of those times that I think I might need to consult manual. Can't believe how to do this. I mean, who reads manual these days? You gotta do something with this bottom one here. Gotta take it out somehow. Ooh, you can spin it. Spinning is good. Spinning means, ooh. So it's just a screw, a very unique screw. Probably because it has a spring so that you can spring it. And I think I broke it. So you take that out first. And I'm assuming, come on. Oh, this thing come off. Ooh. And that is exactly what we need. All right. I found the screw. This is the screw. I'm gonna screw both of this in together. Okay. And now, you see how lengthy this one is. Holy crap. You shall not pass. This is taller than me. I'm about 6'2", give or take. A couple inches, like 5. You know what? People use monopod because it's the flexibility of moving around quick. You can pan like this or you can go down. You just like go all the way down and go all the way up. Make sure your body is straight. Or if you're fancy enough, you know, people who travel, they tend to have those small selfie stick, and you know, it's kind of weird. So you want to show them who's boss, right? And so you go like this. This is how you vlog. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. You will get your respect the moment you hold this stick. Ow, that hurts. I will have a link in the description, and I think I have the 10% coupon code in case you want to use it to buy this stuff. So far, I can tell you that I like the tripod a lot. I do like the backpack. I think we should try to see if we can fit everything in that backpack.